Okay, so today we're going to look at prepositions of place. Okay, so we use prepositions of place just to show where things are. Okay, so these are the three most important prepositions. So first at the bottom we have here in. Okay, and we use in for volumes. Okay, this is just an example of a volume. Okay, this, for example, could be a park. Yeah, maybe there's an entrance to a park here, and entrance to a park here, and then you walk around, and we think of this as a volume. Okay, so for example, I am in the park. Or there could be a bottle. Okay, and then you say the milk is in the bottle. Okay, you think of a bottle as a volume. Okay, we also have on then, which we use for surfaces. Okay, the most common example could be the book is on the table. Okay, the table is a surface. And this works as well for walls. For example, you can see the plate is on the wall. Okay, and we also think about this for TV, computers, all of those things. So I sent you a message on Facebook because it's a surface of the screen we think about. Okay, and the last one is at, which I think of as a reference point. So you find something that you are close to, and then you tell the other person, think about on the phone, and you look, find a place that is near, and you say that reference point so the other person can understand where you are. So for example, I am at the cinema, or maybe you're standing at the window, so I am at the window. Okay, the other person is in the room, but they can't find you. So you say, I am at the window. Or for example, now I am at the table, I am at the computer, okay, talking to you. Perfect. Okay, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Talk to you soon.